now it's day 5 of our community exposure. It's exactly 11:20 in the morning. So we just finished presenting our proposal for the items for the health center. As well as an overview of the gathered data regarding our survey last October 2011. So hopefully, the Barangay Council will approve our proposal regarding the items for the health center. It's 8:45 in the evening and we just finished our homemade dinner a while ago. So presently we're doing some preparations in preparation for the formal endorsement of the posters and print ads for the health center. So we would like to thank the DOH Zamboanga for welcoming us and giving us these materials which is needed. So hopefully these IAC materials will serve as a reminder to the constituents of Barangay Balide, as well as to strengthen the different campaigns of the DOH, especially in promoting health and wellness. And aside from that, this will serve as a guide for us, especially in health education purposes, especially in school, of the different effects of smoking, alcohol, drugs, and the likes. So much for that. We would sort out these IAC materials. And until next time, good night.